Hello and welcome to the Deduction web tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to claim the work from home tax deduction. If you haven't already completed filling out your personal information and employment income, make sure you do so before beginning this process. To claim the work from home tax deduction, under Deductions, we want to click on Deductions and then Deduction Profile. For where it says, "Did you work from home due to COVID-19?" select Yes. We will now see a new heading that will appear under the Deductions profile that says Work Expenses. Click on this and then Working from home due to COVID-19. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to a new page. Here, you will need to indicate whether you have worked from home for more than 50% of the time, continuously for 4 weeks. You will also be required to select the type of reporting that you prefer, either the flat rate or the detailed method. If you choose the flat rate method, you will need to input how many days you want to claim, with a maximum of 250 days. The rate given by the CRA is $2 per day, therefore the maximum amount you can claim is $500. If you opt for the detailed method, you'll be prompted to select yes or no for the questions asking if you have a signed T2200 short form and all receipts. It's important to note that without the T2200 short form, you won't be eligible for the work from home deduction when using the detailed method. Additionally, only commission-based taxpayers can claim insurance, property taxes, and lease charges associated with equipment leased for work. Those who utilize their home office for business purposes can claim office maintenance expenses related to their business. Taxpayers can claim expenses such as rent and internet charges that are not listed on the form in the Other field under Home Office Expenses. To calculate your home office expenses, you need to enter the percentage of your home that you use for personal purposes in the designated field. For instance, if your office takes up 15% of your home's total space, you should put 85% in the personal use portion field. Deduction web will automatically calculate your expenses based on this percentage. Only the fields under Home Office Expenses will be prorated, while those under Expenses will not. I will now fill out the form to demonstrate this, assuming that the taxpayer is not a commission employee or using their home office for business purposes. Let's say I want to claim rent, internet charges, and costs for supplies. I will list these expenses under this Other field and fill in the total of all these expenses. As you can see now, when we go to the Detailed Tax Return Summary, under the Deductions there is Other Employment Expenses listed with the amount of deduction calculated by Deduction web. If we use the simplified method with 250 days, you will notice that the figure for other employment expenses will change to $500. This lets us know that the work from home deduction has successfully been applied. You may now proceed to fill out the rest of the return as usual. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.